Okay, good morning. Namaskar everyone. Can you hear me, kids? Can you hear me and can you see me? Okay. Is my voice clear? Okay. Okay, everyone. So, first of all, let us start our class with a prayer. So, everyone, please join your hands and close your eyes. First of all, we will do a prayer.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
Okay. Now, very good, everyone. Now, kids, I will take your attendance. So, please be ready for your attendance. As I say your name, you have to say yes, ma'am or present, ma'am. Please, kids, don't write in the chat box. कोई भी chat box में नहीं लिखेगा. Then you need to turn on your mic and then you will give your attendance. Okay. Any Madroja?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Prachi Adroja? Harshi Laghara? Swarit Amrutya? Rahil Arvadia? Prayag Barasra?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Rishiv Bhalani?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Daksh Bharadwaj? Bansi Bhorania? Kashyap Betharia? Mahi Dayal?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Hitaj Ghodasra? Suryarashti Jadeja? Ronit Kalola? Akshar Karya? Sia Korvaria?
Sia Corvaria is present, ma'am.
Okay. Arav Kundaria? Nisarg Loria? Pari Makasana? Kanishka Manik Nandan? Yesha Marwania? Dhruvit Mehta?
Dhruvid Mehta is present,
Arnav
ma'am.
Pathak? Okay. Khushi Pingle?
Khushi Pingle is present, ma'am.
Okay. Shlok Pujara?
Shlok Pujara present, ma'am.
Okay. Satya? Diya Santoki? Densi Sarabda, Sumit Shukla, Kashvi Tanna.
Ma'am, Kashvi Tanna is present.
Okay. And Mishti Tanna.
Ma'am, Samritya is present.
Okay, beta.
Mishti Tanna is present.
Okay. Now please, everyone, beta सुनो. If your name didn't come, ठीक है? Then write your name in the chat box. As you might have joined later and have took your attendance, then you write your name. If your name didn't come,
later.
Yes, that's why. Beta, you joined later, so you write your name in the chat box. I will put your present. Okay. Swarit is present. Kashyap is present, okay. Harshil Laghara is present, okay. Okay, beta. Okay, so kids, let us now. Okay, Dhruvi.
Ma'am, Hitas Godasara is present.
Yes, Hitash, beta, I've already put your present. Okay. Okay, kids. So in last class, so we are doing chapter number 2, that is operating system, and in last class we did starting of Windows. Okay, starting of Windows, then files and folders, and then we completed how to create a file, how to create a folder, how to open it, and how to save it. So this is what we did in the last class. So kids, it was your homework to try how to create a folder, file, and also to list out. Please everyone will keep their mic off.
Okay, ma'am.
Nancy and beta, keep your mic off. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, beta. Okay. So did you try, kids? Did you try how to create a folder, how to create a file? And did you see on your desktop which files and folders are there? देखा था आपने files and folders अपने desktop पे? आपने list बनाया उसका? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And आपने have you created a folder? Did you create a folder?
Yes.
Folder?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So जिसने किया है, very good kids, very good. Okay. So now first of all we will continue with that files and folders. बेटा हमने उसे कैसे create करना, कैसे save करना, how to open it, right? That is what we did in last class. Today we will see how to. बेटा it is closed only. मैंने curtains जो है वो भी मैंने कर दिए हैं, but this is the light. Sorry, I can't help it, बेटा. Okay, I'll move little bit so that you can see that. Curtains भी बंद है, windows भी बंद है, even light is also off. But this is the natural sunlight that is coming. So, okay. So today we will see how to copy a file. कैसे किसी भी फाइल को या फोल्डर को कॉपी करना है. How to rename it. Rename it मतलब कि उसका one name है, but उसे कैसे दूसरा name देना है. Then we will also see how to move it and how to see properties. Properties में ये होता है कि कौन से डेट पर हमने उसे क्रिएट किया था, कौन से डेट पर हमने उसे मॉडिफाई किया, यानी कि उसमें चेंजेस किए. ओके. देन कितने केबी का है, कितनी साइज है उसकी. So that is what we can see in the properties. So now let's get started. So first of all, we will see how to. Beta. Okay. How to. Okay. Okay. Now see here, we have one. Okay. First of all, tell me what is this? ये क्या है? What is this? This yellow structure that you can see on your desktop. What is it? Okay, so now you will be able to see, beta. This. Okay, Swarit is saying 5. Yes, others give answer, beta. What is this? Yes, very good, Khushi. Correct. This is a folder. Very good, beta. Yes, Khushi. This is a folder. ऐसे येलो कलर का आप ओपन बुक अगर देखो, मैंने लास्ट क्लास में भी कहा था. Okay. So in the last class also I told you that कि अगर ऐसी ओपन बुक हो आपको येलो कलर का स्ट्रक्चर दिखे, then that is a folder and this is a file. This is a file. ये जो यहाँ पर इमेज है कीबोर्ड की, this is also a file. Okay, and this is a folder. Okay, so now we will see how to rename. Rename means कि दूसरा नेम देना. See here the name of this folder is computer. So by mistake I wrote it as computer and now I want to change its name. मुझे अब इसका दूसरा नेम रखना है. So that is renaming the folder. So how we will do it? First of all, on your mouse click right button of your mouse. Okay, there you will see one menu. So in menu here we have rename. यहाँ पर दिया है rename, RENAME, that is rename. Click on rename, that will be your left click. Left click is click your left button and see here you can see ये ब्लू कलर व्हाइट कलर के बॉक्स में ऐसा ब्लू कलर आ गया है, ठीक है. And then you can type it. So if I want to type it as English, so from my keyboard I will type English. So this is how we rename any file and folder. Folder को भी ऐसे ही rename करते हैं and any file में भी ऐसे ही हम उसे rename करेंगे. How? Again we will see. So this is my folder of English, but now I want to rename it. Change करना है मुझे उसका name. Okay, so what I will do, I will place my mouse pointer on my folder, then I will right click, that is I will press right button of my mouse, then here I have rename, so I will click on rename and then this blue box like structure will appear and then I can type anything, that is again computer, so I will type it, that is computer from my keyboard and it will change to computer. So this is how we rename a folder. Understood everyone how to rename a folder? My camera is not visible. Beta, are you able to see it? Okay, मैं थोड़ा सा नजदीक ले लेती हूँ, ठीक है, so that you can see things now. Okay. अब थोड़ा सा क्लियर दिखा बेटा? ओके, so understood how to rename a file or a folder. यहाँ पर हमने folder को rename किया था, but it is same as अगर फाइल को rename करना है then we follow the same procedure. Okay, so this is how we rename a folder or a file. Now copy a folder or a file. अब मुझे उसे copy करना है. I want to copy it. इसकी ही मुझे दूसरी कॉपी क्रिएट करनी है. So how to do it? Again, place your mouse pointer on any folder or file. जो भी फोल्डर, जो भी फाइल पे आपको उसे कॉपी करना है. कॉपी करना का मतलब क्या होगा? उसे डुप्लीकेट करना. एक ऐसी है और दूसरी ऐसा ही फाइल या फोल्डर को क्रिएट करना, सेम एज इट इज. Okay, so you can do it as, again place your mouse pointer on the folder or a file that you want to copy, then right button of your mouse. So this is my right button. See in this This is my left button, this is my right button. So click on right button again, and here I will have option copy, C-O-P-Y, copy. In this menu, it will be shown as copy, C-O-P-Y. Then here copy it, and कहीं पर भी अगर आपको जहाँ पर भी उसे सेव पेस्ट करना है, जहाँ पर भी आपको उसकी डुप्लीकेट बनानी है, देयर यू गो एंड पेस्ट इट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मुझे डेस्कटॉप पर ही यहीं पर ही मुझे उसे पेस्ट करना है, यहीं पर मुझे उसकी 2 कॉपीज चाहिए, तो व्हाट आई विल डू, प्लेस योर माउस पॉइंटर एनीवेयर ऑन द डेस्कटॉप. डेस्कटॉप पर कहीं पर भी अपना माउस पॉइंटर रखना है. देन क्लिक राइट बटन ऑफ द माउस एंड देन से हियर पेस्ट, P-A-S-T-E. पेस्ट का मतलब क्या होता है, चिपका देना, राइट. सो देयर यू पेस्ट इट, एंड सो प्लेस पेस्ट, क्लिक पेस्ट, सॉरी. So here another folder, same, and here it will be written as computer copy, C-O-P-Y, क्योंकि मैंने इसी फोल्डर को कॉपी किया है. So I will, so it will be, so automatically नेम आ जाएगा computer copy. Understood? Yes, very good Satya, you should use your. तो आप ये सभी मेरे साथ साथ प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो सत्या, और you are taking your online classes from the laptop. Okay. So that is it. अगर मुझे यहाँ पर नहीं करना है, ठीक है, somewhere else, कहीं और, जैसे कि कोई जिस पीसी में आपको सिखाऊंगी at that time I will tell, अगर वहाँ पर मुझे कॉपी करना है, that anywhere you want to copy and then you want to paste it, so this is how we will copy any file or a folder. अब मुझे यहाँ पर मैंने गलती से उसे पेस्ट कर दिया, मुझे ये कॉपी यहाँ पर नहीं चाहिए थी, आई वॉन्ट इट ऑन समवेयर एल्स. सो व्हाट आई विल हैव टू डू इट, मुझे इसे इरेज करना पड़ेगा इस फाइल को. दिस इज नॉट गिवन ऑन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक किड्स, सो प्लीज पे अटेंशन, दिस इज एक्स्ट्रा, समथिंग न्यू. तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा इससे, आई नीड टू डिलीट इट और इरेज इट. मुझे इसे डिलीट करना है बिकॉज मुझे कंप्यूटर की एक कॉपी तो मेरे पास डेस्कटॉप पर है ही, मुझे दूसरी नहीं चाहिए, कहीं और चाहिए, राइट. सो अगेन the delete option is also given in the same menu of copy and paste. So what you will do, place your mouse pointer on the folder that you want to delete, then click right button of your computer again, and here see, यहाँ पर rename के ऊपर ही दिया हुआ है delete, rename के ऊपर ही है delete, so you have to select it. So press, that is click delete, and it will be then the folder will be deleted, it will get deleted. So this is how you can do, delete कर सकते हो. Okay, now can anyone tell me that if we delete anything from our computer, if we delete anything from our computer, so for some days वो कहाँ पर रहेगा stored? Do anyone know this? Do anyone know answer to this question? Yes. If I deleted something, तो फिर वो कहाँ पर, अभी भी मेरे कंप्यूटर में कहाँ पर वो रहेगा स्टोर, सेव, जहाँ से मैं ले सकती हूँ उसे वापस. Yes. If anyone knows the answer, he or she can say me in the chat box, or they can even type in the chat box. Okay, Dhruvi, you know. Okay, I'll turn on your mic, beta.
Ma'am, the answer is recycling bin.
Very good, Dhruvi. Yes, the answer is recycle bin. Yes, whatever file, anything, कोई भी file, कोई भी folder, anything from your computer, अगर आप उसे delete करते हो, So that you can find in the recycle bin that is given over here in our desktop. Okay, so you need to double click it. अगर desktop पे किसी भी icon को open करना है, then we need to double click it. So double click it and see here. File it is given in the recycle bin, computer copy that I deleted right now. So for deleted files, so if you अगर गलती से कुछ delete हो गया है and you want and और वो important था, you need it back, you want it back. So what you can do, go to recycle bin and from there you can restore it. So computer में जाना है, जैसे कि this is my computer copy that I deleted. So I will, so what I will do, see, double click on it and then here restore will appear. Restore, double click करना है left button से, mouse के left button से you need to double click it. So here the option restore will come. So when you restore it, when you click on restore and OK, it will come back. Let's see. Here it is. See, आ गई वापस. Okay. So this is how you can restore the deleted files. This is not given in your textbook. This is something new for you. Okay. Now we did copy, renaming. Now we will move it. Okay. For example, अगर मुझे उसे कहीं पर भी move करना है, मतलब कि यहाँ से निकालकर मुझे किसी और जगह पर उसे डालना है. So that is we can do with the help cut and then paste. See, copy में क्या होगा? Extra copy उसकी create होगी. Another copy will be created. But when you cut any file or a folder, वो फाइल या तो फोल्डर सिर्फ बंद ही रहेगी. ठीक है, सिर्फ क्या होगा, यहाँ से वो चली जाएगी एंड wherever you paste it, वो यहाँ से लेकर वहाँ पर मूव होगी. कोई एक्स्ट्रा कॉपी क्रिएट नहीं होगी. ठीक है. सी, so how can I do again? Right click, then here it is cut. CUT, cut. Okay, so you need to click on cut. कट पे क्लिक करना है. तो यहाँ से देखो थी उससे लाइट हो गई. ओके, एंड देन wherever you want it, for example, okay, let's go into the folder. Okay, beta, see, yes, this is our full computer, so we can't. Okay, जैसे कि मुझे यहाँ पर डॉक्यूमेंट का मेरा फोल्डर है. ठीक है, हियर इट इज एम्प्टी और मुझे डेस्कटॉप से लेकर इस फोल्डर में उसे डालना है. तो मैंने वहां से कट कर दिया. अगेन आई विल अगेन आई विल प्रेस of my mouse. Here I have a menu and in that paste is given. So click on paste and see my folder will come here. Okay, so this is it. See, copying, moving, renaming, everything you will find in the menu when you press right button, when you click right button of your mouse. And then, okay, so this is it. Now, property of a file or a folder. कोई भी फाइल, कोई भी प्रॉपर्टी, ठीक है, जिसके बारे में मुझे देखना है कि वो जो फाइल है वो मैंने कब क्रिएट की, कब मॉडिफाई की. क्रिएट करना मतलब कब मैंने वो फाइल को बनाया है, कब मैंने उसे मॉडिफाई किया. मॉडिफाई इन सेंस कि अगर मैंने कुछ उसमें चेंजेस किए, उस फाइल को क्रिएट करने के बाद मैंने उसमें कुछ चेंजेस किए, तो वो मैंने कब किए. ओके, सो डेट, टाइम, से उसकी साइज कितनी है, दैट आई कैन नो. So that you can do by, see, for example, ये जो कीबोर्ड की इमेज है वो मैंने कब डाउनलोड की, कब सेव की, that I want to know. So that I will, so again we will click the right button of our mouse. So keep your mouse pointer here, then click right button and here last, it is in the last it is given properties. Properties. Here, last में दिया है properties. Okay, so click on properties. So when you will click on properties, see, it will give me all the details. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टाइप ऑफ अ फाइल, ये कैसी फाइल है? ओके, type of a file, that is JPG file. JPG file means that it is a photo. Okay, JPG file, that means it is a photo. It opens with photos, यानी कि कंप्यूटर का जो एक प्रोग्राम होगा फोटोज, जैसे गूगल फोटोज होते हैं, हमारे एंड्रॉइड में एल्बम्स होते हैं, इन दैट वे इसका जो होगा वो फोटोज से ओपन करेगा. देन लोकेशन कि कहाँ पर है, सो एट द लास्ट इट इज गिवन डेस्कटॉप, मतलब कि वो डेस्कटॉप पे है. फिर साइज उसकी इट इज 56.7 KB की, उतनी KB की इस इमेज की साइज है. ठीक है. देन साइज ऑन दिस, लेट्स नॉट डू दैट. ओके, देन क्रिएटेड, कब मैंने क्रिएट किया. देन मॉडिफाइड, कब मैंने उसे मॉडिफाई किया, उसमें उस इमेज में कब मैंने चेंजेस किए. ओके ओके, तो सिर्फ आपको इतना ही इसमें देखना है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव. ये प्रॉपर्टीज सारी उसकी ओपन होगी उसमें. एंड इवन असेस कि मैंने कब उस इमेज को लास्ट असेस किया था, किस डेट को किया था. सी हियर डेट्स आर गिवन एंड हियर टाइम, एट व्हाट टाइम. ओके, सो दीज आर प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एनी फाइल और अ फोल्डर. एंड देन अगर आपको आपने देख लिया है, नाउ इफ यू वांट दैट ये मेनू चला जाए, देन जस्ट प्रेस ऑन ओके. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? दैट इज हाउ टू रीनेम, कॉपी का, हाउ टू रीनेम अ फाइल, कॉपी इट, मूव इट, हाउ टू सी इट्स प्रॉपर्टीज, हाउ टू डिलीट इट, then where to find deleted file or a folder, and even how to again restore it. Understood? Please write yes or no. Okay, very good Satya, that you are practicing in online classes and hearing my voice and making files. Oh, folders. Okay beta. Okay everyone, please write yes or no. Understood how to create file, rename file, move a file or a folder, anything. The procedure remains the same everyone. इसमें किसी को कोई डाउट है? Do anyone have any doubt? Okay. सिर्फ इतने ही बच्चे हैं who are giving answers. We have total 19 and that is 18 students. So सिर्फ 6-7 students ही reply कर रहे हैं. Why? Others are not listening. Okay. Okay everyone. At the end I will ask questions. So at that time we'll know. Okay Sia, very good beta. You are trying with your laptop. It is very good. Okay. So see this procedure. अगर आपके पास Windows 10 operating system नहीं है, if you have Windows 7, okay, or any other operating system, but this will remain same for Windows 10. Windows 10 के जो भी वर्जन है, ठीक है, अगर आपके पास कोई भी वर्जन है, but mostly अभी as of now, this generation, अगर आपके पास Windows 10 नहीं है, तो Windows 7 तो होगा ही. Okay. So in Windows 7 also it remains the same. आप इसी तरीके से फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर्स को क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, मूव कर सकते हैं. You can rename it. So it remains the same. Okay. Procedure is same. Okay. So that is what we did. So we did this with everyone. Page number 19. Page number 19. 1919 everyone. This is what we did today. Renaming, moving, copying, properties. But extra thing also we did, that is deleting and then restoring it again. Okay everyone, now please open page number 14. 1414 everyone. We will now do start button, the thing that was remaining. Page number 14. Start button. Okay. So see everyone, start button. This is our start button. Are you able to see it here? नीचे आप कोटाना के पास स्टार्ट बटन है. Can you see it? Here. Time is not over, beta. Our class started at 8:10. So it will get over at 8:50. हमारा फर्स्ट क्लास at 8:10 को स्टार्ट होता है. So it gets over at 8:50 and not 8:40. Okay? I know timings and all better than you. Yes, Mixi? Okay, you want to ask anything? Yes, Mixi has turned on your mic, beta. Say. Yes, Mixi, I am waiting for you, beta.
Yes.
Your voice is cracking so much, beta. Your voice is cracking so much. If you can write, then write in the chat box, beta. Because your voice is cracking so much. Then type in the chat box. Okay, so this is our start button. Start button, it is present on the bottom. हमारे desktop पे bottom and on the left side. Left side पे and at the bottom there is start button of our taskbar. So from start button we can access all our applications and programs. So when you click on start button, just one click and our menu will open. Start menu. So this is our start menu. This is our start menu. So from here you can access all your files, folders, all your applications and programs. Now see everyone, our start menu is divided into two panels. Two panels से divided है. This is first panel or the left panel and this is right panel. दो पैनल में divided होता है हमारा start menu. Okay, this is left panel and this is right panel. Left because it is present on the left side, my left side. Now in the left panel we have the most recent, जो हमारे recent programs जो हमने इसमें से जो हम recent use किए हैं या तो जो हम frequently use करते हैं. Okay, any program that are recently used or most frequently, यानी सबसे ज्यादा अगर वो use हुए हैं, then that will be on the left panel and on right panel we have live tiles. देखिए ये tiles की तरह है. Here you can see that squares है. So that is this is Office. Okay, then other applications of Microsoft. Here we have Microsoft Store. From here you can know the weather. You can play. Okay, this is a game. So these are live tiles and these are most recent used applications or programs. वो भी हो सकते हैं और अगर आपने इसे अगर आप नहीं यूज करते then it will be in alphabetical order. See, it is starting from A. So यहाँ पर जो भी प्रोग्राम है एप्लीकेशन A से स्टार्ट होती है that will be here. Then with B, then C. Now if you want to go down then you can use the scroll wheel of your mouse. अपने scroll wheel जो है आपके mouse का वो आप use कर सकते हो. See, okay, but I need to put it on a hard surface. Okay, and then you can scroll it. So it is here it is arranged in alphabetical order. Our start menu is arranged in alphabetical order. So you can move it. So to it you can scroll your start menu, that is your left panel, in two ways with the help of a mouse. Mouse के scroll wheel से या तो फिर इससे यहाँ पर अपना mouse pointer रखना है. Then long press the left key and move it down. Okay. So by this way you can scroll your left panel. This is our left panel. Now see here. Here we have power button. If you want to turn off your computer, so that you can do with the help of this, that is your power button. Then here we have settings. ये settings है. If you want to set anything. Okay. Power button, settings, then pictures. इस कंप्यूटर में जो भी pictures हमने किए हैं, save that. Documents, any documents. And this is the user ID, यानी कि जो desktop जिस name से created है, ये वो है. Okay. So this is our left panel of our start menu, and this is our right panel. So right panel contains lifestyles of various programs and applications. You can even change that. You can customize your lifestyles. That is, आप इसकी position भी change कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. For example, if I want to bring this over here, then that also you can do. See how? Click on this and then move it anywhere. You can move it anywhere. For example, I will keep it here. Okay. So यहाँ से उसकी position change हो गई. Okay. From here I can change it place. So that is this. That is left panel and right panel. Understood everyone? Yes. That is start button, right menu and left menu. Okay, okay, Mishri, that you just wanted to say yes. Okay, beta. Yes, Nancy, I took present, beta. At the starting of the class only, I took the attendance. Okay, kids. So this is all about today's class. Today we did how to create a folder file, how to copy, rename, how to see properties of files or any folders, and then we did start button. Okay, so this is all about today's class, everyone. In homework, what you will do is create folder and then rename it. उसे rename करना है. Then you need to, if you have computer, then rename it, see properties of it, and try to copy that folder on the desktop only. वहीं से उसे copy करके वापस से paste करना है. And if possible, see tomorrow, so day after tomorrow it will be Sunday, and also you have whole 1 week. Okay, if possible, make a video. So, अगर आपके पास computer है, then make a video in which you create a folder, then rename it. Then what you will do? You will copy it. Okay. So 2-3 things that which you can do with a folder that you do. Okay. Then see, yes, but others can leave. I've already explained. Others can leave. Those who don't have any doubts can leave, as you will be having next class also. Yes, Nancy?
Ma'am, we use laptop.
Yes, you can, beta, you can. Yes, computer, that means laptop also. अगर personal computer है, keyboard वो सब कुछ है, then that also and laptop also. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So if possible, make a video, everyone, and then send it to me.
Ma'am, please send your number.
Okay, yes, I am typing in the chat box, so that from there you can see. Okay, this is my number, everyone. Okay, okay. So you can send your video here. It is written on the, it is already written. Yes, Navya, this is not this is not second A. This is 4th standard, Navya. Okay? After 10 minutes, you will have your class. That is at 9 o'clock. Okay, 4th standard students. So bye-bye, everyone. I hope you don't have any doubts. Okay, so bye, everyone. Yes, Khushi, thank you, beta. Bye.